Today, I'm going to be doing a craft that I got from Michael's, and I know we're at home, and we're finding stuff to do and to get busy, so I found a craft, and I want to do it. Today, we're going to do the unicorn. Let's open this up. This has enough to make 4 unicorns or squids. I don't really know what this is, but it might be a squid or a frog. So let's get started. Okay, so we have this for the body of the unicorn, and we have tissue paper for the unicorn's hair. And we have the ears, and we have the little things for the horns. We got more tissue paper for the hair. And we got eyelashes. And we got tape to stick everything on. Now we're going to punch out one of these horns and 2 of these ears. I'm going to go ahead and do the horn. It has little creases on it. It's kind of tricky. So let's do it. Tuck this in. Now we're going to take out the eyelashes for the unicorn. Take them out. And look at these little eyelashes. This is a really big sticker, and I'm going to show you how to put it on the little unicorn toilet paper. Oh, okay. So now I'm going to take it off. Might be a little tricky, because I know it looks like a piece of paper. But we got it. So now, let's put it on. So excited. Okay. It's really sticky. Sometimes you even accidentally get it on the top instead of the bottom. It looks perfect. Now, I've been looking at this picture, so I'm going to put the little eyelashes on each side. And you see where the nose is? That's where the eyelashes need to be. So let's get sticking. 1 done, 1 more to go. This is double-sided tape. So we're going to put it on the unicorn. Put it on, and now we're going to put it in the middle. Ta-da! We have double-sided tape, and we're going to put them on both ears. So I'm going to put it on this ear first. And it's really tricky, so you need your mom to help. We got 1. Got them, finally. I'm going to use these pair of scissors because my mommy said I can't use the big ones, so I'm going to use these pairs. They're pink, I love pink, so let's cut these little strips. This is for the unicorn's hair. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to show you all the strips I made. Here they are. We're going to glue all of this tissue paper into the unicorn's head. I put the tape in her all around in a circle. So now let's put the paper on. Now I'm getting other pieces. I think I made a lot, like 2 lines.